my mom, I have never actually sat down to talk to her and asked her how she got started or the journey that she went through. So let's give her a little time to get settled in after her performance, and we'll bring her on. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comment box, and we will try to get to them at the end of the show. Let's see. I believe she is ready, so let's go ahead and bring on Ailey.
nhớ rồi nhớ rồi tan thao tôi chẳng không như thia cho fan chờ đời nữa không chỉ là muốn nói đây tao là cổng ư có nhiều tu cũng khó sợ nữa cho nên mua đất chi tập bao nên không được tao nữa.
All right, Mama. See, did you say that you want to thank the
Với hospital thanks to tụ tu là do tụ nô nhớ cho YouTube hoặc YouTube nè nữ nữ lúc có YouTube channel hoặc rau sinh sủa channel 我呢到末古叫个对照木我 music 诶古种些我呢哈女有一路路但是呢哈莫给สนใจcho ô song 里边的么呢诶你古我非常贴诶我trong lần đầu贴要lên từ họ salon rồi nên mua mua họ hồ là tao nè hiện tại xíu我có trâu nè.
Mom? I know that you haven't been really singing or performing for maybe what 30 years, 34 years now. Ever since I guess I was born, and you had a family, but like I said in the beginning, I never really got to talk to you about how you started, and so, and maybe a lot of your fans want to know too. But where did you get started, and how did you get started, and how old were you when you started singing and performing?
Well, you know, lúc xí hở thầu bé nợ chị bé trong xài tờ số tàu nè do thì nhiều chúng mới thu nụ là do nhiều chúng mua ít thu sinh chị nếu hỏi bán bèn chị it's really hard for a girl to get out and lúc xí hở đó bé mua ít bán bèn chị cũng mua tụi nụ nhớ hậu chị cũng sẽ lấy một cái chance hay chị là sầu không có yeah là cho là một nó chị lúc xí hợp bé ôn đợi chị bé bán bèn hoa lúc bé xỉn nó nè lúc bé xỉn nhá Seattle Washington chị bé mua chút trống lên cơ bé chân sẵn thân cho giống mua lên cha gì lên đó xứ chị lúc xí hợp đó mà chị mua cho tú thì li mũ mũ nói giống gì thì li ô tô cả xe xứ chị somehow someday my brother nửa sai thì ô cho tu hay thăm bộ nó cái cung mua chọn sai ô thía mà chị quân tụ nụ thì li sầu câu thì nửa thì li đi sai hay tiền nửa chia cho cũng thân cho cỡ ở tu ôn nụ chỉ khu li mà chị that's how we get started but start singing thôi tớ cũng mua li cọc bé xong đó nó lúc xong gì chỗ ó thì bé nhưng mua li của hải ở bé mấy bán bèn thì bé nhưng khu cho khẩu cả nó chỉ mà thấu single các sẽ đỡ nó chỉ hỏi do ngựa sức cho xài lần thứ sáu là nhiều là chỉ là ok nữa trở hay tiệt tụt tú thế tụt mình singer tụt tú nhớ họ tú bị sinh là nửa nửa thế chỉ cũng là cũng thiếu cũng là thì that's how we started and yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I never knew. I just knew that you were a singer, so I never really asked you about how you got started. Um, so a lot of singers today, especially the women, they um, they may have you to look up to as an idol, or they might have other people to look up to. But then when you were first starting, if you were the first one, so who did you look up to? Like, what kind of music did you listen to, and where did you get your motivation from?
Well lúc xưa hồi đó chị bé chỉ cho mua chân xài hù cho hai tiếng mua cho tu lấy như hù chứ trong lên lợi tia lấy như mua cả sen đầu đầu tủ như cả sen lợi đó chỉ mà hai có hai tia who I look to it thì nó gọi là cũng mấy tu favorite Chinese singer Teresa Teng. uh, I really like her songs and then cũng không được chẳng câu most of the time. So that's it. Hai tia còn nữ dù họ bao lần từ rồi nó để chúng lần từ tiết chủ yếu thì kinh số sự câu số như là cho cái nông hình thức là
Okay, yeah, I mean, it's good that you could open the door and you could build a pathway so that other people could look up to you and say, hey, I may be a young girl or a woman, but somebody else could do it, so I can do it too. So that's really good. I have another question. Or are you working on music right now?
right now lần nào lên lời cả hai chiều yêu cơ đuổi đầy thì lời như lý giải tất kỳ cái khẩu tu không câu cũng như sau tông tôn đâu nè nhưng cả hai thì cả một vật kia của tụi nó là những pha tàu ít chúng tôi câu của tại sao đi người là những cả tổ cũng hơi cơn cách mà nó tấm sai trong cái gì luôn lâu rồi em có gì ờ quốc tư ta rồi kia chỉ thu mua dọn chú rồi kia thì khu thì trong cái thân ta chỉ soi kia soi đó nè thì cái đi chỉ cả mua lời tất kia giờ tên hàng rồi giờ cái đầu lấy sau trong trong này đi tụi tụi lấy như ô tô thì giờ lấy nó tự đi lời tất thì nó gọi gì cái cái tách rồi thì cả mất rồi chứ.
Um, So, like, do you think that you're gonna start recording and have more music in the future then?
I want to, but what I want is I want. But when I start doing it, it's really hard. So I don't know yet. I can't say yes. I'm gonna do it. Not yet.
Yeah, I think that you should. Like a lot of your fans are they're still alive. They're still out there, and they recognize the songs that you sang back then, and they grew up with you. So if they could, feel I guess feel the nostalgic feeling or the feeling that they did back in the day when they were younger. You can help them feel younger, feel young again. But
Yes, do
yeah, so
I
hopefully, I support you in that.
okay.
Um, so what did you what did you feel that was kind of challenging back in back when you first started?
Oh, during that time, Lucy heard mà cái sơ câu mà mình dùng gì nè. We had to do live. We cannot record the way có thua tại nó ôn á cái đi thì ta thì mà lo you mà lo record and then you mà lo audit. During that time, everybody, the band have to be ready. You have to be ready. And then 1, 2, 3, everybody have to ready too na. And you have to eat to go wrong to we all have to start all over again.
Hmm.
So I see it, the way we do it is really hard, and it's you guys might think it's easy because our music is not as good, but I just think that it's really hard because for 6, 7 people to play music at the same time and sing at the same time, it's really hard. It's not easy.
Hmm.
So that's the challenge that we used to have. And also being a girl, usually the parents lấy chỉ cũng cái tặng cái chỉ tự ua đi nè tú đi là mà giờ thì cũng lá chỉ thì cũng có tuần nhiều rồi giờ tu ua thì cũng nhiều cái chỉ hay cả các những món táo thì làm xài nữa và lấy đi thì thầu ua cái mà lấy chỉ món nhiều cho nói thì cái này lấy 有等有当期有等一年么，就是用年但是呢就说但是呢就说呢有年不可tư là như tàu ta nhiệt thì chung lỡ nhiệt thì to chiến tàu lỡ thì ô tô lỡ mù tàu chứ lỡ ô tô dùng gì á học cái hết
Hmm.
à sợ hai tia lo đi cha rồi lo cho lâu đi cái gì tiền đi việc kìa mình chỉ nhớ trong cái nhớ của lấy cái tiền này thì qua tới lo lấy cho lâu sau mà lấy nhà thì dòng chưaแล้วก็มัวนิดหน่อยที่จากที่ยุคก็เลยให้มันไปก็เลยเสียเดียมีมัวนิดหน่อยที่นี่อยู่ตรงนี้คนเดียว I remember กูเนี่ยให้กูนะอ๋อกูรู้สึกเหรอกูกูเป็นกูเนี่ยรู้สึกปล่อยอีกแล้วนะกูเนี่ยรู้สึกใช้อีกแล้วนะ thì cái quê tập án là cái vụ thì lâu rồi cũng như mà hay cái chuyện chơi mình chỉ tông một cái cuộc cuộc ý rồi nó nè thì cho nên luôn cái này nó tông một cái cuộc còn ý rồi so I think that that's how we back then.
Um, so some people are saying that they can't hear you. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put put you backstage real quick, and then maybe check check your internet. Okay.
Okay, okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Check your internet, and then I will bring you back. Just let me know when you're ready. All right. Sorry, everybody. She will check her internet and try to see if she could fix that real quick. Technical difficulties, but yeah, I guess she did have some some challenging moments in the past. She said that a lot of times for her being a girl, it wasn't always the easiest for her because um, you know I guess back in the day, I guess women weren't allowed to really go out and do a lot of things. But I know that she had to um, tag along with my uncles just for her to be able to to go out, and like I guess her my grandma wasn't really um, supportive of everything that she was doing as well. So that those could I guess times could have been different back then. So I guess that is was something that she said as well. Let's see if she's ready. Are you ready to come back, Mom? All right, I think she is ready. Uh,
Okay, nhưng mà hai cái phim đó là do cái internet.
you want to try to pull the phone closer to you? Okay, test again.
Okay, con nó
Not really. It's kind of quiet.
phải
Sorry, everybody. She is trying to fix her mic right now so that we can all hear her. I'm not the person you guys are here to see, so it would be good if you guys could hear her. Okay. Let's try this one more time, and if not, then we will have to improvise and kind of change things up a little bit. Let's see. All right, Mom, let's try it again. Are you good?
con nó con con nó của
Not really. Hey, Mom, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna. I'm gonna just leave the studio, and then I will send you another link.
Okay then.
Can we use this headphone?
Yeah.
So go ahead and leave the studio, okay? All right, sorry everybody. If we can't get her mic to work good, I will just have to just bring her downstairs to my room, and we will just have to, I guess, go upstairs when she is performing. But then we will see um, what will happen. Sorry everybody, it's just a little bit of technical difficulties. Yes, maybe I think somebody's going to give her headphones, so maybe that will help as well. But in the meantime, go ahead and share this so that we can get more people, more people to wait with us. Hopefully, I don't have to leave here to go do it for her. Let's see if I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear, but let's go ahead and just play some of her music, I guess. Can you guys hear the music? Yes? No? Oh, there she is. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe she's not ready. Well, I guess we just listen to this while she gets ready.
Uchiatu wama kuyatu wagaga no shihusa kusado taido toka yo yo like dilinuku. Đâu lần thứ cho chị của châu tôi nơi từ na có mua kẻ chi cho lo qua lư qua lìa châu của châu kẻ chi có tiền lì của châu của con lô có lu có gì là yo yo lần thứ
All right, so we just gonna change things up a little bit and just have her here talking with me. So we will go ahead and let's see. Okay. So, all right. Sorry about that, everybody. So, Mom, what can you tell others who are singing or who are either singing right now or who want to be a singer? Like what kind of words of wisdom can you show them or tell them?
Well, quý bao tiệp bây giờ luôn là nó số lên số tụ cái kênh lì rồi kia của hai cho việc khoa để lợi dụng việc khoa thêm tên đó là những rong kia những dùng gì rồi nếu chỉ nên mua lì thôi bé ô rồi so just do what you like and try your best and I'm telling you guys hôm cao nó nếu chỉ thấy khó và yêu ô tô bé mua nhiều nè tại chỉ nói yêu tô bé chấm mông giờ thì bé chấm mông nữa chỉ tao mua chứ trong tủ nhẹ li thầu nhẹ nè mua ít xe là chỉ chuối ít xe thia cái trong li thầu y cũ mà thầu lúc xưa hơi cũ nữa mà cho lâu chi nhẹ đi nè cho lâu chi nhẹ đi yêu mà chủ yếu cho luôn con cầu sư cái yêu cancer là yêu cho luôn tuôn con cầu sư chỉ phải cái lâu tua đi nè trong li đó so ta chỉ mà cũng bỏ tao hay tiệt ta chỉ nó bây giờ mong chỉ ba cái lời bỏ đi lo cho lâu như chống cha cho lùa rồi cho lùa lúc bỏ đi chỉ như học cho lùa xứ ta chỉ mày cho lùa như cho lâu kia cho lùa như nhiều xin bao lời ta chỉ mà cũng bao tao hay tiệt nếu chỉ có ít khó yêu cho bé muốn nhỉ lúc xí hở nó giờ hay tiệt yêu xa hay tiệt yêu bé xứ lỗ là giờ hay tiệt for fun okay yes à chị ôn á hồ câu nó nhiều mua nhiều số tây rau có cú chi nhiều cú lúc số tây rau có cú chi nhiều có lúc số đó là mà nhiều mua nhiều ít lúc số và vẫn chỉ mua cho nhiều nè so cũng sao vậy do what you can and just be who you are.
Okay. So what who do you listen to like now or like these days what kind of artists do you listen to? And I know that you might have like a lot of friends who are in the industry as well, but yeah, who do you like to listen to?
Well, I know that there's a lot out there. Bây giờ mong nhóm mình cặp cái nó là một trong bây giờ xin người nhưng mua cho rong hủ tàu rong cơ đi. Giờ dùng mua lọt bị cái dùng thứ tất cả xong mua rồi dùng tụi khi là, ta chỉ mà yes cũng lại cũng nhiều máy xong cũng nhiều mua máy xong, cha mì, rồi giờ máu va lại chẳng đó nè, giờ thì con nhiều nè, họ chính đây cái tên chế ba là những hồ tàu rong cơ rồi tiếc, cho chia ta chỉ nó nè. Cho cô thì tu li vật cứ lo cán câu vía lo tên đó lấy ô tô trong cái lấy nhưng nhiều những chỉ thua lấyเลยcái một trò lý to lấy cái đó nè so mix here and there and some new one some old one bé lò lò rồi chị bé cho tia mà dùng tứ chỗ tao cho luôn rồi.
Yeah, I think hopefully Chami and Maishong are watching as well. So yeah, so um, so Mama, I have. All right, Mom. Do you know who that is?
Of course, thì chỉ có máy xong mà.
Okay, just making sure. But let us yes, I guess let's go ahead and bring on Maishong. She is another legend in the Hmong music and entertainment community. Um, so yeah, let's bring on the world famous, the beautiful Maishong to join us today.
Hello, Barbie.
Hi.
Hey,
Nhớ trong tuần này rồi.
you didn't tell me.
I know. I really wanted to be there with you guys in person, but oh my gosh, with the pandemic, it's so bad. I'm so honored to join you guys on your show.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you for being on. I know that I reached out to you last minute, but yeah, thank you so much for being on. I guess I saw you back in, I think it was 2013 at the Seattle Hmong New Year's,
Yes.
and I guess from there, I guess you came over to our house and you met my mom, and you guys just became a really good friends. So it was like a big pleasure to meet you back then, and yeah, so thank you for having us here, or I mean, being able to be here with us. But
Yes,
yeah,
such an honor to join you guys. I mean, you probably don't know this, but oh gosh, your mom is like my idol growing up, so it's just, when you ask me, I know it was last minute thing, but as busy as I am, I couldn't say no. I gotta come on, gotta join you guys. So thanks
mhm.
for having me. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're pretty well known here in America, as far as Laos, Thailand, and other countries. But how has my mom paved the way or opened doors for you as a performer and entertainer in the Hmong community?
Oh my gosh, Bobby, I gotta tell you, when you were playing her songs earlier, I was like, oh my god, it totally takes me back to the 80s when I was still a little girl and listening to her song. I was trying to sing the song. So I love singing all my life. So any songs that I hear, I catch on to it very fast. So I knew most of her songs by heart. And that
Mhm.
was, it just really takes me back to that, that part of my life back in the 80s, and it was quite emotional. I was like, "Oh my god, I'm gonna cry," because I have not listened to her song, for a while. I have a few of my favorites of her songs, but I when you were playing the song, I was like, "Oh my god," just totally. It's like you go back to the time when you're still innocent and learning, and it was just an inspirational moment for me. For your mom, I can tell you that back in the days, we didn't have any photos of her. There was, her photos was on cassette, but we couldn't, as a little kid, you don't have that kind of plastic like cassette. So, it was recording from one person to the next and it gets passed on. And I always listened to her song and never knew what she looked like. And
Mhm.
then I think I did an interview on a radio. Oh no, not radio. It's a video interview with one of this Hmong news station, and I told them openly that Haley was my idol. So when I came to Seattle back in 2013, I got to meet her. And she was just like the most generous, down to earth person. I was like, really? That's her? Oh my God, I finally got to meet my idol. I'm so excited. And oh my God, she was so wonderful. She invited me to your guys' place and we just clicked and we just talked and we talked all night and we didn't go to sleep. And then next day we just spent time together and she showed me around. She and your dad. And I got to meet all you guys and the whole family, and I feel so blessed. Growing up, I have a lot of idols, a lot of Hmong idols. But your mom is one of them that I feel like, wow, it's such a blessing to have finally met one of my idols. I met a lot of them already, but I just like I'm collecting names, checking out who I haven't met. So I'm fortunate enough to have met a lot of my idols. And
Hmm.
as far as your mom goes, she's so wonderful. So we became like great friends, and we talk a lot every time whenever we want to town. We always talk like for hours,
Yeah.
about music or nothing life or whatever. But I'm just like super excited, and I'm a little nervous coming on to your show and talking to A. Although I kind of talk to her more like on a personal level, where we always chat about life and our singing experience and how that has changed and all that. And gosh, I learned so much from her too. And being an artist so big, so well known like her. And those of you listeners out there, I kind of figured that most of the audience and the listeners are probably younger group like you, Bobby, probably within your age group, and you probably don't know or probably heard of Kaylee before. But in my time, she was huge. She was like the superstar, the Madonna of the time. So, as a little girl, I was so impressed, even though I never knew what she looked like. Not like nowadays where we see artists from their CD covers or videos, all that. We
Hmm.
didn't have that in my time. So I was just listening to the tape and imagining and thinking like, oh, she must be this like, I don't know, this beautiful, gorgeous young lady that never ages. And
Hmm.
when I finally got to meet her, I'm like, oh my God, she's so beautiful. But more than her physical beauty, she has a beautiful soul, and I am so blessed. So that's why when you asked me to come on the show, I'm like, totally. I say yes without hesitation, and I'm just really
Hmm.
happy. I'm just like overjoyed. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's amazing that that music could connect people, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, and because everybody uses music as a different avenue, and some people use it to heal themselves, but you guys use it as a connection, and now you guys have built this friendship that I see. Sometimes I'll just walk into my mom's room, and then I'll be, oh, I guess she's talking to my, I just can't bother her, and then an hour later I'll come back in, and oh, she's still talking to her. I'm like, okay, I guess I can't tell her what I needed to tell her.
Right. Yeah, so I feel very honored too when when she said she was listening to she would listen to my song stuff. Like, oh, you don't know how much that means to me. I'm like, oh, you're the idol. You don't know. I think that's a plus. You
Yeah.
listen to the songs, and then when you finally make your own music, and then you can either turn around and you kind of listen to it too. So it makes you just so like extra special. So thank you, A.
Oh my, you're really welcome. And chị cho cú yo itu tít này, cú chị cho nông để cho nên cho cái đó. But
Mm-hmm.
when có cho song come out, ya thật tôi cũng một bỏ cái từ rồi, cũng như sai yo sa keep even hay tiền được chỉ cho cô rồi nè, là cũng như sa keep đi, có thiết chắc mình đây yo tôi không có cho bắt điện á, cũng như nhiều cơ. Cho mong nó tên đó cũng chỉ cho lịch sử, ya ta chỉ yo tiền chắc mình đây lịch mà really good.
Thank you. That means a lot to me,
Yeah.
and yeah, I don't know how you feel when có bố kìa có fan đó kìa, yeah, I don't know when they cái chương trình này chỉ có một đôi họ một đâu là có một bố son của nó nhở, this is my it's like always the only female artist at the time thì có báo gì cho Amy, right? Nhưng mà the other ones now only the có cái gì chứ a couple other ones but chỉ một chỗ này nhở, như nó xuất hiện này nhở. They your song stuck with me, and I still sing to them, and I still love them. Nói cũng say chị của trường cho in one of my YouTube video của cho ấy call của trường. They love it. Oh my God, it's so like it's just beautiful songs and in your time, and it really impacted in my life in a way that nhớ là lúc she heard that she know my lớn tuổi mà lớn một hồi thì oh yeah, when I grow up I want to be like her. In our time, bitch more bitch oh yeah, oh I don't know how would I be like her, but I want to sing. I want to be a singer, and this artist or to now which about in yung to problem basis but phone to Canada. But then it's the singing part that it's really and the music that it's really the one which you have to you can remember na. And I just wanted to say the music, had really stuck with me and kind of frozen time, for me during that time. So till this day, I'm still blessed. I feel so blessed. I got to connect with you, and you just really down to earth person that we became, great friends. Yeah, we know Jay, okay, but it's just too bad that we know what they got, we know what they know. But you know, she and Jay, you know, what case, so we have so much to talk about. But I mean, there's like the only thing that we are it's great things, a lot of great things about God, that I just like, you're truly a great person, great to know you too, and Gucci, có Phật tư đó chị cũng hỏi cho muốn là lại bé không có là gì bé cũng hỏi cho nên cái thảo cho nghe so bé cho younger generations là cũng như try approach bé nào và cô thầu cũng chỉ có là cũng cho wow you know cho idols mostly cho idols cũng chỉ là cũng là very generous and very kind and cũng cứ cho ấy linh đại nhá so cũng cứ cho tao wow you know quý thân thầy không cao này chị của có vừa thâu là quý tu nhớ tao lịch cụ thì lo chỉ tao lúc bây chân lịch cụ là những mỗi tu idol ít cho nên có như chỉ về chỗ thi này giờ có như chào nhé có như chơi rồi có thôi là họ I'm sure like you said earlier you have maybe in your time chúng trong một điểm mong của căn đây đó chúng mà you look up to other artists out there outside the Hmong community as bigger idols so which is good too and every time I think about your singing, thinking back to who I listen to, I have a lot of idols, okay? A lot of more idols. And pretty soon I'm going to do a video on talking about your idols and how I came about I'm going to start doing that too. But yeah, other than that, it's really wonderful, God brought us together to do music. We got to be really, really close friends and be more like families. I visited you a couple times, and you guys actually came to my place like once, a couple times. And we actually got to perform one time, 2 years ago.
Yes.
It's an honor. I mean, music is a lot of joy, and I just love it so much.
Yes.
That I'm like, oh wow, really, it's a blessing.
Yeah, we should do more often. Before I'm getting too old.
I know, I'm getting too. Yeah, cũng đâu có chỗ có chỗ nhiều do thế tại sao của tôi lầu của tôi chưa có.
Yes, I'm glad that cô Oli cô có hay cô rong xia hay tiệt cô giờ ít tuần xài không có và cô khi lúc ở trong bé chân xài trong tù thì có hay tiệt có nhiều cô không có thì giờ tiệt lúc xí hơn nữa mà dù cho ít tuần xài mà ở trên này tiệt dù tàu mùa hồ tàu câu khó tư rồi giờ mà tới được sẽ là chúng mua đi tiệt cháu lối chỉ nhẹ đi cháu lối chỉ bù uo đi nè Uli mà chỉ cũng mua ở trong nô, cũng dùng chi tiền câu đó chi tiền cái chỉ lý cho cổ lệ xí nè, cái cũng nhiều cũng chỉ là hay tao lý trả lý họ, nhưng mà tao tụi chân xài lấy những xã hội câu lấy những xã hội cách đó chỉ mà lấy chỉ mua cho nô ấy ta lời nè, cái lời theo chỉ tao, sau lúc xí hơn đó chỉ những chỉ thì mỗi tụ phân nhiệt hạt tươi dùng sai dùng sầu lợi li việt thì chỉ mua là cái chấm mông nè, lúc xí hơn đấy chỉ tao mua li nè.
You're lucky. Good golly, just listening. I mean, I learned so much from a background, and you're meant to do what you did, and that's why particularly more for me, I was not that lucky. Đúng mùi việc gì cũng mà đi phí không có đâu gọi in my time too, not too far from you. It's that cái độ chú cái tờ chứ chú cái mua đó chỉ là gì mua không có cái đỡ gì nhưng mua online okay sana yaw I didn't have anybody to do music the world at the time but I've always loved music from day one, and since we got back with us a lot of the energy, nhiều music lo nè, but you know, cái rồi nhiều cũng muốn nhiều có chị tao thế này rồi, but for
Yeah.
you got really lucky because you had the brothers, and you were right. And I mean, pero she had, pero what you found him. That's what you did more actually, what you thought actually. But then I got married very young too, at 14. Thì tôi một chị nhiều tôi mua nhiều ta mà đi phí không câu thế nào chị, you know, but I think that thì you should try to somehow find a way to do it.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, like, oh my. I'm glad you were here. My son did tell me.
yeah.
We have to be in your show that you know, for God, I want to go with them. Why they have so much time?
We'll do that next year. Yeah, I've been really busy with my channels. On YouTube 没有，我是 busy 那个，我都去空，现在在什么那么把人保护不到，yeah, it's just like I was like, my mom would you come on? I'm like, sure, definitely, I make time for you, you know. So, yeah, những đấy sau những chuyện gì để lo chuyện của nhau.
Yes, I'm so glad that you're willing to be in his show.
Definitely, Bobby, it's a great son. I mean, Bobby, I just want to let you know that I'm so proud of you, son. You're a great son, and I'm very proud of you. I know you're just starting, but keep going. You just have to
Thank you.
You have to do what you're passionate about. If you're passionate about this, and you're good, you know. Even though you're young, you're starting, you get the hang of it, and once you get it going, it's gonna be great. And I'm just so proud of you. I look at you as one of my own sons, so just wanted to encourage you to keep going.
Thank you. I know that you kind of touched on your YouTube channels. Can you share a little bit about your channel so that the people who are watching and listening, they could follow along as well?
Yeah, I have currently two YouTube channels. There's some people have been wondering why two channels, you know. But I initially launched my official channel, which is the My Show official channel, back in 2017, and I've been loading all my old songs, new songs onto that channel. Not much going on other than just the songs and the music and karaoke and all that. So recently, just this, I think past August, that's when I launched my second channel, 2020. Due to the pandemic, we were so we didn't have much to do anymore. So I was able to launch that second channel, so I could do start doing vlogs and stay more connected with the fans on a personal level. So I, that channel started to pick up a little. Now people kind of start seeing that, oh yeah, I do have the second channel. Reason being is that I don't want to do vlogs also on the music channel because it gets all mixed up and then some people get confused and because I did put some videos on my flowers. I love flowers, so I do a little bit of that and just here and there, and then people commenting like, oh, you're not singing anymore, and I'm like, I still kind of do, but I like to do other things too. And then last year I was like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna keep it separate because if people don't want to watch my daily vlog or activities or other things that I do outside the music world, then they can just stick with the official channel. Now, if fans or people that wants to follow me on my daily vlogs or other things that I do outside of the music world, they can follow me on my other channel, which is I named it My Show World channel.
Okay. Yeah, I will go ahead and leave those links to your YouTube channels in the description as well, so that other people can follow along and subscribe and just see what you are up to, right?
Sure, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess before leaving, is there anything that you want to say to the fans out there, either yours or Haley? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Before Monica, I just wanted to just thank you, and also good to see you, God. So good to see you, and you look great tonight.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you look good. Keep it up, and Bobby, you're doing great. So just want to thank you for having me on the show. But another shout out to all the fans out there. If you're watching or any fans is watching, just wanted to shout out to all of you guys that I'm very thankful, very blessed to have all of you. And thank you for the continuous support and love. And I will see you guys at my Shungword channel and on my doing my actually vlogs. Okay. So
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Mai. Thanks again for taking the time to come on and grace us with your appearance here. I really appreciate it. And is there anything else that you want to say to her?
Thank you, Mai.
you're welcome.
Yeah,
You.
it really surprised me. So
Yeah.
see you later.
Yeah. All
Okay.
right.
Bye.
All right. Well, how did you like that surprise? Was it good?
That's really good. I didn't know.
Yeah. So, do you want to? It's a different mic upstairs. So you want to try to give us one more performance before you go?
Okay.
Yeah, before you go and perform one more time. Is there anything else that you want to say to your fans and the people who are watching right now?
Yes. 我做呢，我做内做人事都到了狗日么呢？我 earlier 分析出呢，但是嘛，老好呢，就和不但嘛古鸟三手，就老好呢，还就中国哈 so 有的没得去那啥包呢，了呢哈，烧灯笼，She's a really nice woman, and she's nếu mà lúc xưa lo xưa đó rong hay li thầu của bao nữ kia xưa chị của bao the wow she's a nữ giấy tu tin hay or not many like that and nữ giấy tu thằng xưa lo xưa đã it's fun talking to her sometimes we can talk hour 2-3 hours actually and then my husband say 我讲个真正没想谈的超过天 but we have so much thing to talk about it. So it was really nice that she's here with me. I was so happy, and 我们呢，当了讲，我做我那好老爸，我都都天，我们呢，我们呢，现古也一度我们鸟，做别个 Hmong community before, and 女生我比较老，我一个 show, and hoping that I still have fan out there, and 老公有么呢呢，我就能到做着，你那把称啊，有点那几把给路西很的，给我一代大，这给都是我了，但是嘛，莫中能中途很半夜天，给古天里不我，给古松些，头乌，路路啊，去包还一路路做着呢，但是嘛，但是呢，给我们老三做到下底，古叫饭有一脚我，八称下古，诶，这里木诶里，鸟着好别好忙，story, so I'm really happy. Goodbye, my love.
Okay, so yeah, you go ahead and go upstairs
Okay.
and get ready, and
Okay.
then we could just close with that. And
Okay.
then, yeah.
Thank you, babe.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit, Mom.
Okay.
All right. Well, that was a little bit off script on how we were planning on doing, but with the technical difficulties that we had, I guess we made do with what we could. The reason why I think that my mom stopped singing was because I think that she wanted to really focus on the family instead, and I know that she made like a big name for herself, and as her son, I am very proud that she became who she was, and it's because of everybody who may be watching right now, who still supports her, and people such as Maishong and Jami and a lot of other singers or just your parents, they keep her name out there. They keep her name alive. They keep her music alive, and that's something that could bring a lot of joy to to all of us and to everybody. And I am very thankful that she, I guess, gave up that life just to raise us kids. As her son, I am very blessed, and yeah, I believe that she is ready for. I think she's ready for her last performance. So let's go ahead and listen to her sing "Goodbye, My Love."
Goodbye my love, chỉ hơi nhớ một lời tia. Goodbye my love,在在了了，走我时光。是年少那梦中梦，只有梦有心记得。cùng lâu xưa trái kia trâu cò ý lấy xưa. Goodbye my love,在在ưng nhớ một lời tia. Goodbye my love,在在了了，愿我能知。我早给路的这个是，怕我人有一生的，不能需要我可以了，我走路过。到有一来要跟的不能，只要手里一塞的到这后边，我是给也有我能。là shi tu vì giấc mơ từ chỉ đây也是让我了解不能是我心里的拥有我的都是tu dạy lời mong từ năm của tôi cứ có tiền dạy rồi yo cho ư lu cô mà là gì lo cho đi chờ cô lu xin lo mà em han cho cuộc thi cùng cho con. Goodbye my love, sao chạy ương giờ một lời kia. Goodbye my love, sao dây lời lỡ về muốn nói chi. Một sao cái lúc cho tôi xin thao lời一生的不能需要我可以我怎么过到有一来要关掉不能只要手里一塞的到个后背我是给也有我们做了许多你怎么不记得也是让我了解不能是我心里的是的，不都是我心里的，也有我的，这是的。
Well, I would like to just personally thank everybody for, um, being on today. And like she said earlier, and what my post said, March is Women's Month, so I want to empower all the ladies who are out there listening right now. And without you guys being so strong, us men would not be able to, do what we do. So you guys are the backbone, and know that, know your worth, and I am very blessed that you guys all are here today and was able to, I guess, make my mom feel loved again. So hopefully you guys will all share this video so that the conversations between Mai and my mom can go, can go across countries and everything. I know that there are a lot of people who couldn't watch it live, but maybe you guys could play it for your parents and they can see that Ailey is still alive and well. So again, I would like to thank my Shong for being on. I will have her YouTube channel.